Welcome to the Unisys ClearPath Forward ePortal 7.1 Key Features demo. In this demonstration, you will be introduced to the new features of ClearPath Forward ePortal 7.1. Orchestration message filters. Host application redundancy. ePortal Generation 4.1 Enterprise and Business Servers. Orchestration message filters. Message filter is an orchestration activity that allows you to create one or more external processes to provide common processing across all messages sent or received by orchestration. Perform send, perform receive, and perform invoke are the three new methods added to the orchestration context. Send server method calls any server send message filters before calling the perform send method. External processes call the send server method, whereas the message filters activity should call perform send to avoid invoking the filter again. Receive server method calls any server receive message filters before calling the perform receive method. External processes call the receive server method, whereas the message filters activity should call perform receive to avoid invoking the filter again. Invoke server method calls any server send message filters and server receive message filters before calling the perform send and perform receive methods. External processes call the invoke server method, whereas the message filters activity should call perform invoke to avoid invoking the filters again. Let's see a quick demo to understand how to create a filter process in orchestration. Drag the message filter activity from the toolbox to your orchestration. Enter a filter name. Configure the filter by selecting the orchestration route. And in the Properties window, specify the server send or server receive message filter. When you save an orchestration containing message filter activities, the C# method stubs are created in the orchextensions.cs file in the project data source name extensions. After the code template for your message filter is created, write the code for the filter process logic in C#. Host application redundancy. Redundant application connections allow you to configure the additional backend application connections for an ePortal application. These connections can then be used to balance the load of incoming connection requests, or to implement a primary or failover backend application. If round robin is set, transactions will be directed to all host applications in an alternating manner. If it is set to failover, then it communicates only with one host application until it fails, in which case it starts communicating with the next one. If one host application is shut down, the other host application will take the transaction load. If all are shut down, the ePortal application will raise an appropriate error condition. Let's understand the new properties provided to configure the additional backend application connections for an ePortal application. Enable redundant connection. This enables an ePortal application to communicate with redundant host applications at the same time. Redundant connection list. Redundant connections are specified in a string. Each redundant connection specification is separated by a semicolon. Each connection specification consists of name equal to value, strings, separated by commas. Name can be any data source epconfig tag name, varies by data source type. The names are the element tag names in the data source epconfig file and are case sensitive. A redundant connection is constructed by using the primary connection and overriding the properties with the specified name or value pairs. Redundant connection load balancing specifies the load balancing method used by the application. Options available are round robin and failover. In the round robin method, the orchestration connect processing rotates in round robin style to select the application connection to be used when establishing a session. For stateful connections, the selected connection is used throughout the session. If an application connection is unreachable during the connect processing, the next connection in the list is tried. If all connections are unreachable, the connect failed event is raised. An unreachable application connection is removed from the list of connections. In the failover method, the orchestration connect processing always attempts to establish a session using the primary connection. If the connection is unreachable, then the connection is established using the next connection in the list. If all connections fail, the error is returned. If the primary connection becomes unreachable, the next reachable connection is promoted to primary connection. Redundant connection retry interval contains the time specified in minutes before retrying an unreachable connection. The value must be a non-negative integer value. ePortal Generation 4.1 Enterprise and Business Servers. The ePortal Generation 4.1 system has been qualified with the latest server platform. ClearPath ePortal Generation 4.1 system is available either as an enterprise configuration or as a business configuration. ePortal Enterprise system is configured with fully redundant hardware so that no single point of failure will cause the access issue to the deployed customer applications or appliance management. The base package consists of 2 platforms and 2 switches. There are 4 web partitions in each platform. You can increase the scalability of an ePortal Enterprise system by adding additional platforms, up to a total 6 platforms in a single ePortal Enterprise system. The base package includes 2 web partition licenses. You need to license additional web partitions to use more than 2 web partitions. ePortal Business System is a low-cost fixed configuration that does not have the same degree of scalability, availability, and resiliency as ePortal Enterprise System. It consists of 1 server platform. ePortal Business System hosts an ePortal Manager partition and 4 web partitions. Unisys offers a comprehensive set of ClearPath Forward ePortal services to enrich the value of your ClearPath Forward applications, data, and systems. Please contact your Unisys representative for more information, or visit unisys.com.